3 reasons to utilize a laundry pickup service instead of taking your clothes to the cleaner. Everything is conveyed now, from your food to your first-class things. Even rental vehicles can be conveyed to you nowadays. Why not fuse your clothing into the crease also? Play on words 100% planned. If you're in any way similar to me, you just acknowledged taking your garments to the laundry, or in any event, heading off to the laundromat. That was only a piece of life. It doesn't need to be any longer, however. These days, we don't need to simply acknowledge that a stop at the laundry is a given before an extravagant gathering or after work. There are currently clothing conveyance benefits that will get and drop off your clothing on your timetable, on your time, and whenever the timing is ideal. On the off chance that that is insufficient, here's 3 reasons why you should begin utilizing a clothing get administration. 1. It's so a lot easier. All that is conveyed is simpler. Anything that eliminates an additional task that you need to run is simpler. These administrations will drop by your place of living or any place you instruct them to proceed to get your clothing, cleaning or something else. They simply remove it. At that point, when it's set, they bring it back. How much more pleasant is that? 2 outings spared. 2 outings that you don't need to design out or do any longer. To cite John Mulaney, as far as moment alleviation, dropping plans resembles heroin. I can't concur more. 2. On your time. Shockingly, it can't be all daylight and roses, not to state there is anything but a huge potential gain. They do need to go to your home, or any place you keep your clothing. I don't carry on with your life. That implies that you possess to plan and energy for them to come and pick it. In fact, this actually makes it an arrangement, yet when an arrangement can be completely executed from the love seat, at that point it's an arrangement I can get behind. At that point there's the matter of drop-off. You don't need to take off from the house to get the clothing back. How cool is that? Cooler than me subsequent to stating that, you clearly should be there when they drop it off, yet that just returns to arranging from the love seat. Can't beat that. 3. Free, in most cases. There's that enchantment word that we as a whole have wanted to hear since the time we were starving in school. Allowed free clothing isn't as energizing as free pizza. That is only the idea of how extraordinary pizza is, however. A ton of spots that offer a clothing get administration will do as such for nothing, no additional charge to you. Which means there's close to zero motivations not to enjoy and make your life simpler. There's almost no motivation to not entertain yourself with a clothing pickup administration. That is to say, it resembles the outdated Netflix of clothing. It's simpler, quicker and frequently free. Our lives are frenzied enough with no guarantees, and you owe it yourself to eliminate the tasks that you need to run. Let them get your things done for you.